हरिः ओम्। रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते, रामं रमेशं भजे, रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमु, रामाय तस्मै नमः। हरिः ओम्। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। Last time we were at the end of 6th chapter. Good things are happening. We are coming to the end of this drama. So Mangala at the end has to be there. In between, maybe there are many hurdles, many calamities, many mishaps, but everything that ends well is good. Mangala. So now we are heading towards Mangala, and one thing has already happened, that is Bharata's mind is clear about his mother. He had lot of, dhikkara for his mother, which he has expressed many times in many ways. So sometimes Kaikeyi used to get worried. Now if he is coming to see me, what he will say, what he is going to say, and what I am going to hear. So that had created fear in her mind. But now that all things are clear. And now Bharata says, Anugruhitosmi, because his mother has excused him for all his, harsh talk. Bharata says, Anugruhitosmi. Apruchhami atra bhavantim. Now I'll take leave of you. Adya eva aham aryasya saharyartham krutsnam rajamandalam udyojayami. Full Rajamandala I will, take with me, and I will go to help Arya, that is Rama, because he is in difficulty. His wife is abducted by Ravana, that is his difficulty, and now he wants to go and help him. And his plan is like this, Velam imam matta gajandhakaram karomi sainyogha niveshanadham balaihi taradbhyascha nayami tulyam glanim samudram saharavanena. He wants to go Velam, that is Samudra Tata Bhumim. He had taken her to Lanka, across the sea. So he wants to take all his Bala, Sainya, to Samudra Velam, Samudra Tata Bhumim. So Imam Velam, what he is planning? Matta Gajandhakaram Karomi. I will carry with me Matta Gajas. They are all generally of dark color, and that, like falling darkness over that Samudra Tata. Matta Gaja Andhakara, Matta Gajaha, Evam Krishna Varnavat. They are of black colors, and Andhakaro Yasmat Tatha Bhutam. As if they are, causing darkness over that Samudra Tata, because they are dark in color. And he had so many gajas, many of them, so as if there is darkness on Samudra Tata. That is the idea. Sainyaughasya, that is Bala Samuhasya. Niveshena, Niveshanadham, Niveshena Nadham. Nadham is Vyaptam Chakaromi. I will cover it. Sainyaughasya, Sainyaugha Niveshanadham. My Sainya will be there, and it will be all covered with my Sainya. Balaihi taradbhischa nayami tulyam Glanim samudram saharavanena. Oh, he shows its his krodha, amarsha, height of krodha and amarsha. He says, Taradbihi balaihi ravanena sah samudram tulyam yatha syat tatha glanim, that is vyakulatam nayami. I will make them, scared, afraid, vyakula, I will make them feel that they are vyakula and, helpless, sort of, they will see my bala and they will be really scared. Etena bharatasya ravane amarsha atishayo vyaktaha. Just by seeing my Sainya, by seeing my Gaja, Ravana will have scare in him. So that is what will happen. This is out of Krodha, he is saying that, and he is capable of doing it because he had all that kind of Sainya. And then he says, Aye Shabda iva Turnam Nyayatam Shabdaha. He hears some noise, he says, oh, what is it? Just find out what that shabda is, what that noise is. Pravishya Pratihari says, Jayatu Kumaraha imam vruttantam shrutva. That means Putravadhu has been abducted by Ravana. This vruttanta was heard by those other queens because Bharata told Kaikeyi only. He said, you only listen to this news. Let them not hear this. Because this will make you happy and not them. This was Bharata's, mind before his doubts got cleared. So he's now with all this, they have come to know what has happened. So Pratihari says, Jayatu Kumaraha imam vruttantam shrutva jeshta bhattini moham gata. Jeshta bhattini is Rama's mother, Kausalya. Kaikeyi. Bharata says, Katham moham upagata amba. Mother has fallen, she has lost her conscience. Ehi jata aryam ashvasaishavaha. Come, let us go and calm her, cool her down. So they say, okay, come. Yad adnyapayati amba. Now he is friendly, he is, affectionate towards his mother as before. And he follows her order and both of them go to cool her down. Whom? Kausalya. So here ends the 6th chapter. We are heading towards Mangala now. So 7th chapter we are going to begin today, and the 7th chapter Tataha pravishati tapasaha. Tapasa enters. Here Rama has, defeated Ravana. He has brought back Sita. Other people are also with him, and they all have come to Janasthana, where they were staying before. Tapovanam they had come. Tataha pravishati tapasaha. Tapasa says Nandilaka. Pravishya, Nandilaka says, Arya ayam asmi. Here I am. Tapasa says, Nandilaka kulapatihi vidnyapayati. Kulapatihi vidnyapayati. I have told you who is called Kulapati. Now Kulapati has to manage the food also, and Kulapati has to feed the tapasas, his shishyas. That is his duty. Kulapatihi vidnyapayati. Now vidnyapayati is used out of courtesy instead of adnyapayati. Ajnapayati looks little crude, so he has used this word Vijnapayati. Eshaha khalu swadarapaharinam त्रैलोक्य विद्राविणं रावणं नाशयित्वा राक्षसगणविरुद्धवृत्तं गुणगणविभूषणं विभीषणम् अभिषिच्य देवर्षि सिद्ध विमलचरित्रां तत्र भवतीं सीताम् आदाय रुक्ष राक्षस वानरमुख्यैः परिवृतः संप्राप्तः तत्र भवान् शरद विमल गगन चंद्राभिरामो रामः. Now he describes, everything in one sentence he describes. How? Eshaha khalu, here Rama. Eshaha khalu Rama. How is he? Sharad Vimala Gagana Chandrabhiramo. Sharad Vimala Sharadaha Vimalam Yad Gaganam Tatra Chandraha Tadvat Abhiramaha, that is beautiful, Rama. Sampraptaha Tatra Bhavan. Here has come. How he is parivrutaha. So many people are around him. He is parivrutaha. By whom? See. Ruksha, Rakshasa, Vanara Mukhyaihi. That is, he has, around him, Ruksha, that is Jambavanta, and his team was also with him. So they are Rukshas. Jambavanta, Jambava Adayaha, Rukshaha, Rakshasa, Vanara, Mukhyaihi, Parivritaha. The head of all these teams, who? Ruksha, Vanara and Rakshasa, their Mukhya were with Rama. Then Tatra Bhavatim Sitam Adayo. He has brought Sita along with him. And how is Sita? Deva Devarshi Siddha Vimala Charitram Tatra Bhavatim Sitam Adayo. Deva Devarshi Siddham. That means Deva Devarshishu Siddham. That is Vimalam Charitram Yasyaha. She is Shuddha. She has Vimala Charitra. That is how she is always described. She was like this. Arundhati, second Arundhati here. That is how she has, twice she has described like that. Now it is said that her Shuddhata was even approved by Deva Devarshi. That is the thing. Vimala Charitram. Vimala Charitram Tatra Bhavatim Sitam Adayo. Now he has done other things also before that. What are those things? Swadar Ravanam Nashayitva. He has killed Ravana. How is Ravana? Swadarapaharinam. One who had abducted his wife. Trailokya Vidravanam. Trailokyam is Trayoho Lokaha Trailokyam. Tad Vidravayati, that is Bhayat Palayana Param Karoti. Iti Trailokya Vidravanaha. Tam Ravanam Nashayitva. Ravana is afraid, Ravana is scared, and now he had, fear. He couldn't go anywhere, but he had to face Rama, but he could not go anywhere because of his bhaya, and then he was killed. Nashayitva. And after killing Ravana, what did Rama do? Rakshasa Gana Viruddha Vruttam Guna Gana Vibhushanam Bibhishanam abhishitya. He did not capture his kingdom. Ravana's kingdom he did not capture. What did he do? He, Bibhishanam abhishitya. He, gave that kingdom to Bibhishana. He did abhisheka to Bibhishana and put him on the throne, which belonged to Ravana. And how was that Bibhishana? Rakshasa ganena viruddham. Rakshasa gana viruddha vruttam. Rakshasas are generally of tamoguni. But Bibhishana was not like that. He was satvika vrutti and sajjananurupam vruttam yasya tam. His behavior, his vrutti was not like Rakshasa. It was sajjananurupa. He was like a sajjana, not like Rakshasa. So tam vibhishanam. Plus another thing is guna gana vibhushanam. Guna, good qualities, virtues. Gana, the group of good qualities. So guna gana vibhushanam. Guna gano vibhushanam yasya tam vibhishanam abhishitya. He has come. Now Nandilaka says, now he says further, Tapasa, tat adya asmin ashrama pade asmad vibhavena yat sankalpaitavyam tat sarvam sajjikriyatam. Now he says, whatever, in our ashrama, according to our asmad vibhavena, that means asmad vibhava, that means whatever we have, what is it, your capacity, sampatti, what vaibhava we have. Ashramanurupa vaibhava, good quality fruits and what else? Kandamula. Asmat vibhavanurupam sajjikri yat sankalpaitavyam tat sarvam sajjikriyatam. Now they have to feed them. Sajjikriyatam. No sajjaha, sajjaha kriyatam. That is chvi rupa. Dhawalaha, na dhawalaha, dhawalaha kriyatam. That is dhavali kriyatam. We have seen this before in the second chapter. Atra, now Nandilaka says, Arya sarvam sajjikrutam. I have arranged for everything. Sajja has become. Kintu, he says kintu and he waits, difficult for him to talk. Why? Let's see. Kim etat, what is it? What happened? Suddenly you stopped. What is that kintu? He says, Atra Bibhishana sambandhino rakshasaha. Bibhishana and his colleagues, they are rakshasaha. Tesham bhakshana nimittam kulapatihi pramanam. Why? Kimartham? He asks, why? Why? He says, te khalu khadanti. That means Bibhishanas are rakshasaha and they eat naramausa. They eat human flesh. They eat amamausam, which they cannot provide in this ashrama. Sajjana, who are staying in ashrama, they cannot provide rakshasas, nara, mausa as their food. That is the problem. So, he says, then the Tapasa says, he says, alam sambhramena, don't get upset. Bibhishana videyaha khalu rakshasaha. He will not eat, Bibhishana. What he wants to say is, don't get upset. That let there not be sambhrama. Bibhishana videyaha means tad adhinaha खलु राक्षसाः, that means Vibhishana Ajnano Vidhainaha. Those who are with Vibhishana, they are, under control of Vibhishana, and they always follow the order of Vibhishana. Vibhishana Ajnano Vidhainaha. Ataha tad ajñapta manushan na khadeyuhu. So when Vibhishana tells them not to eat any nara, they will not eat. Vibhishana vidheyaha, obedient. And we have seen Vibhishana is sajjananurupa. He is not rakshasa ganena viruddham vruttam. So he will not eat naramausa, and his other, sambandhinaha also, they are under the control of Vibhishana, and they will not eat naramausa. That is what he means. By hearing this, they develop respect towards Vibhishana, and they say, Nandilaka says, Namo Rakshasa Sajjanaya. Namo Rakshasa Sajjanaya. Tapasa Vilokya Ayam Atra Bhavan Raghavaha Ya Eshaha Jaya Naravarajeyaha Jaya Naravarajeyaha Syat Dvitiyastawari Tava Bhavatu Vidheya Bhumirekatapatra Iti Munibhihi Anekaihi Stuyamanaha Prasannaihi Kshititalam Avatirnaha Manavendraha Vimanat. See, Ya Eshaha, Raghava, he is describing Raghava. That is Rama. Raghoho Ayam iti Raghavaha. He is born in Raghukula, so he is Raghava. Raghavaha. Now says Raghavaha, he Avatirnaha. He has, got down from Vimanat, got down. Who Raghava is, called here as Manavendra. He is Manavendra, and he has got out from the plane, and he has, alighted there. Kshititalam Avatirna. He, got down on the Kshititala. How was he? Prasannaihi munibhihi anekaihi stuyamanaha. Many munis, many munis, and with different aneka prakaraihi, aneka prakaraihi, prasannaihi munibhihi stuyamanaha manavendro ramaha vimanat pushpakat kshititalam avatirnaha. And he says, we know now that Raghava has landed there. And so, Tapasa says, Jaya Naravara Jeyaha. He Naravara Jaya. That means, Tava Utkarshaha Astu. You all be victory to you always, Jeyaha Syat. Dvitiyaha Tavari. Tava Dvitiyaha Arihi. Your second enemy utpadyet chet jeyaha syat jetum yogyaha bhavet. Jeyaha means jetum yogyaha bhavet. Dvitiyaha means who? See, the first being Ravana, the most formidable one, and a second can be easily conquered. The most formidable one, Ravana, was conquered, killed by Rama. So, if at all your second enemy utpadyet, if you get second enemy somewhere, he will be definitely jetum yogyaha. You can win over him. So, victory to you. Jaya Naravara. Tam api tvam jiyaha iti ashirvachanam. You win over him also, and that is the Ashirvachana given by him. Tava bhavatu vidheya bhumirekatapatra. This, ekatapatra bhumi is very common for Bhasa. Most of his dramas, Raghuvansha, Swapnavasavadatta, Avimaraka, then Balacharitam, everywhere he has, said this. Bhumi ekata, bhumi ekam atapatram, jagataha prabhutvam. That is like Swami of the whole world. Chhatram yasyam sa ekatapatra, na anya shasanaha iti arthaha. So universal sovereignty. Tava bhavatu vidheya, that means vashya bhavatu. Let this bhumi be vashya to you. Jayatu bhavan jayatu, and tapasa goes. Here ends Mishra Vishkambhaka. And then Ram tataha pravishati Ramaha. Samudita balaviryam Ravanam nashayitva jagati guna samagram prapya sitam vishuddham vachanam api gurunam antashas purayitva munijana vanavasam praptavan asmi bhuyaha. I have come again, praptavan asmi, bhuyaha, again. Where? Munijana vanavasam. Munijana vanavasam, bhuyaha, punah praptavan asmi. Etena, Munijana Vasa here, evidently Rama refers to the residence of the hermits in Janasthana, which is therefore place of action of this scene. He has halted here for some time before going to Ayodhya. Samudita bala viryam. Samudita means risen high. Prakatam balam viryam jayasya tam ravanam nashayitva. By killing that Ravana, jagati guna samagram prapya sitam vishuddham. Sitam prapya. After getting Sita back. How is she? Vishuddha, jagati guna samagram, gunad, that means she is gunadhya, she is vishuddha. She had all the qualities we have seen, gunadhyam, vishuddham, sitam, prapya, and what else? Antashaha, that is, antashaha means till aid, that means sakalyena. Sakalyena Guruna vachanam api purayitva. He feels satisfied. Krutakritya. Whatever he was supposed to do, he has done it carried out till end. So he is happy. Guru vachana means vanavasam. That has also come to end. 14 years he has spent in Vana. That also he has done. He has brought his wife also back, and he has killed Ravana also. That is why he was born on this earth. Bhagavan Vishnu was born on this earth to Vinashaya cha dushkrutam. So Ravana is killed by Rama. This was his duty in this Rama avatara, which he has done. Tapasinam abhivandanartham abhyantaram pravishta chirayate khalu Maithili, she is meeting them after a long time. Who? The tapas is there, with whom she had spent her time, who had stayed with them. So she has gone there to, offer her salutations, to do vandana to those tapasis. She has gone inside the hermit. So Rama says, oh, Maithili is taking long time to come out. And then he says, Sakhiti, Siteti cha, Janakiti cha, Yathavaya, Snigdhataram snusha iti, Tapasvidaraihi Janakendra Putri, Sambhashyamana Samupaiti Mandam. He said, the moment he finishes his sentence, he says Vaidehi, coming to him slowly, samupaiti mandam, with slow steps, she is coming towards him. Why? How is she? Sakhi iti, Sita iti, Janaki iti, Yatha Snigdhataram Snusha iti tapasvidaraihi Janakendra Putri Sambhashyamana. Here he calls Janakendra Putri for Sita. Tapasvidaraihi, those tapasvi ladies, they call her Sakhi, who are of her age. Yatha Vayaha, those who are of her age, that is Yatha Vayaha. Vayaha anatikramya yatha tatha tulya vayobhihi. She is called Sakhi. Then Sita iti, Janaki iti. Now those who are elder to her, they call her Sita, Janaki, and those who are elderly, Vruddha, Vruddha, they call her Snusha, Snigdhataram, Snusha, Snusha iti. Tapasvidaraihi Snigdhataram ati snehena. They have developed sneha towards Sita. Was Sita had those qualities in her that anybody who comes in her contact will develop sneha for her. So similarly, those tapasvi striya, they had developed sneha for Vaidehi, so they call her Sakhi, some call her Sita, Janaki, Snusha, all sorts of sambodhanas. So she comes there, and Dataha Pravishati Sita Tapasi. Up to this time, Sita was not there on the stage, only Rama was there. Now he has indicated that Sita is coming because Mandam Upaiti, that means Sita is coming, that is what he indicates. And then Sita comes with Tapasi. Tapasi says, Hala eshaha te kutumbikaha upasarpa enam na shakyam tvam ekakinim prekshitum. They say, Tapasvini says, Hala eshaha te kutumbikaha. Eshaha te kutumbika. Kutumbika means a married man. Kutumbika means a married man, husband. Kutumbam asya asti iti kutumbikaha. That means bharta, pati. Sita was abducted by Ravana when she was alone. So we don't want to see you alone. That is why be with your husband, be with your husband. Stay with your husband, don't stay alone. We don't want to see you alone anymore. So always be with your husband. That is sort of Ashirvachana also, well wishes also for Sita from those tapasis. Bhartru sahitayaha eva tava darshanam asmakam pritikaram iti bhavaha. Sita says, that means she accepted it. Adya api avishwasaniyam iva me pratibhati. I still can't believe that so many things have happened, and then she goes near Rama and says, Jayatu Aryaputraha. Then Rama says, Maithili api janasi purvadhishthanam asmakam janasthanam asit. When we came to to Vanavasa for our Vanavasa Vrata, first we were staying here in Janasthana. Do you remember? They must have changed their, vasa at many places, at many hermits, because they have traveled Vana after Vana. Janasthana, this was their first adhishthana. Api atra jnayante putra krutakaha vrukshaha. She had planted some trees over there, Janaki. So, and she had given them her sneha. She had watered them daily, So that is also mentioned here. So Rama is reminding her, do you remember you had, the vrukshas are here to whom you had treated like your own sons. Do you remember that? Sita said, Janami, Janami. Avalokita patraka ullokayitavya bhavati idanim samvruttaha. Avalokita patraka ullokayitavya idanim samvruttaha. That means avalokita patraka, that means balatvat alpa patrani. They were small trees, and now ullokayitavya. That means udat chakshusha, we have to raise my eyes up there and I have to see them. That means they have grown up, This shows that they are coming there after such a long time, that even the trees have grown up so well. Then Rama says, Evam etat. It is like that. Nimna sthalotpadako hi kalaha. Nimna is depressed. Nimna is depressed or low ground. A pit. Sthala is raised or elevated ground. Sthala is raised or elevated ground. It means time gives rise to a high ground where there was a pit and produces depressions where there was a high ground. Everything keeps changing. Make small things great and great things small. That is what he wants to say. It all keeps changing, nothing is stable. Everything, anitya, everything is changing. Api upalabhyate asya saptaparnasya adha asya saptaparnasya adhastat shuklavasasam bharatam drushtva paritrastam mrugayutham asit. Mrugayutham, those does there, they were paritrastam. They were, bhitam. Paritrastam means they were bhitam. They were scared. Of what? Of what? They saw Bharata there and they were afraid of Bharata. Because, why they were afraid? Because Bharata was wearing white colored dress, which those mrugas, they were not used to see in the Vana. So when they saw Bharata with his white uttariya and white dress, they got, scared of him. And they must have ran away. So Sita says, Aryaputra, drudham khalu smarami. I definitely remember. Ayam tu naha tapasaha sakshi bhuto mahakachaha. Mahakacha means Mahan Tata Pradesha. This is a Tata Pradesha. This is Naha, Ayam tu Naha Tapasaha Sakshi Bhutaha Mahakachaha. Atra Asmabhihi Asinaihi. We were sitting here on this Tata Pradesha and Asinaihi Tatasya Nivapana Kriyam Chintayadbhihi. We were sitting here and we were talking about our father's Shraddha Kalpa, Nivapana Kriya. We were discussing about it. We were chintita, because how we are going to offer Shraddha to our Pitara. That is what we were doing while sitting here. And there, while we were sitting there, we saw that Kanchana Parshvo Nama Mrugo. We saw that Kanchana Parshva Mruga. Sita, now she is afraid. Aryaputra, ma khalu evam bhanitum. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that, please. Because she is remembering that, horrible thing, that because of that Kanchana Parshva Mruga, Rama went away, and that was the chance which Ravana took and abducted her. She didn't want to remember anything of that sort. So she says, ma khalu. She requests him, pleads him. Alam, and then Rama cools her down. He says, alam sambhramenam. Atikrantah khalu eshaha kalah. That time has gone. Don't worry now. Aye kutonu. Where is this? You know what? Renu samutpatati lodhra samana gauraha. He says, kutonu khalu. From where this lodhra samana gauraha renuhu utpatati. Lodhra samana gauraha. Lodhra are the kind of flowers which are white in color. So this white color renu, that means a sand, is utpatati. That means someone is coming in ratha. Maybe because of that renu utpatati. You know. Sampravrunoti cha disha pavanavadhutaha. Pavanavadhutaha, that means pavana is wind. Vayu. Vayuna vidhutaha dishaha. The wind is blowing from these directions. Sampravrunoti cha. You know, the wind is blowing from these directions. Patahasvanasya dhiraihi means gambhiraihi nadaihi samurchitaha, that means grown strong. Samurchitaha means grown strong. Vardhitaha. Shankhadhvanischa, there is Shankhadhvani also. Idam vanam nagari karoti. See, the vana is generally very calm, quiet. There is no sound of any kind. And now, suddenly, this sound has started, you know. Shankhadhvani, patahasvana, then so that wind is blowing and the renu is utpatati. What is this? Why? This is like, you know, this happens in Nagara, in Pura, not in Vana. So suddenly, this kind of things are Nagari karoti. This is not Nagara, but these kind of things are Nagari karoti. Again Chvirupa. You realize that? Did you notice? Samurchito vanam idam nagari karoti. Pravishya. He enters and says, Lakshmana jayatu aryaha. Arya. Lakshmana enters there and he says, Jayatu aryaha. Ayam sainyena mahata tvad darshana samutsukaha matrubhihi saha samprato bharato bhratruvatsalaha. Very simple, you know. Bhratruvatsala, Bharata with mothers, you know, and Ayam Sainyena Mahata. He has brought Sainya along with him and Tvad Darshanam Utsukaha. He is eager to see you. Has come along with his Sainya and mothers. You know, he has come. Vatsal Lakshmana Kim Evam Bharataha Praptaha. He has come this way. Like this, not all, that means he has not come alone, he has come with all this. Arya Athakim, yes, of course. Then Rama says, Maithili, Shvashru Jana Purogam, Bharatam Avalokaitum, Vishali Kriyatam Te Chakshuhu. Again, the same dialogue which he had said in the, you know, previous chapter. In fourth chapter, he has said the same thing, you know, the 16th verse, Vishali Kriyatam, you know, Maithili. And then now this time, Shvashru Jana Purogam. Shvashru Janas are behind and he is Purogachati. He means going ahead of them. This Bharata is coming. So to see him, Avalokaitum Vishali Kriyatam Te Chakshuhu. Aryaputra Eshtavye Kale Bharataha Agataha. He has come at a right time. We wanted him to come at this time only and he has come. That is what this means. Everybody is happy now. You know. Tataha pravishati Bharataha samatrukaha. Bharata says, Bharata says, Taihi pravruddha vishayaihi vishamaihi vimuktam meghaihi vimala muktam amalam sharadiva somam arya sahayam aham adya gurum didukshuhu praptos mitushta rudayaha swajananubaddaha. he is very happy and he says, Aham Bharataha Praptaha Asmi. Praptaha Asmi. How I am Tushta Hrudayaha. I am happy, my mind is happy, my heart is happy. Such I am, I have come. My Swajananubaddaha, all my Swajanas, now he doesn't say anybody, he has cleared his mind about Kaikai also. So all are his Swajana now. So he has, all his Swajanas are with him, and how he is, why he is Gurum Didrukshuhu. He wants to see Guru, his elder brother. Arya Sahayam Aham Adya. Arya Sahayam means along with Sita, I have come to see Gurum, Ramam. And how he is Rama is how? Somam, like Chandra, moon. Meghaihi Vimuktam Amalam Sharadiva. In last time he had described him, Sharad Chandra, he was covered with Megha, Jimuta. And now those Meghas are moved away, so clear Chandra is seen. So this Chandra we are going to see. And Didrukshuhu, I want to see him. That is why I have come. Amba, he comes. Rama sees his mothers in front of him. And Rama says, Amba Abhivadaye. He salutes all his mothers. Anyway, he had no prejudice about Kaikeyi. His mind was clear. If my mother says something, that means it must be for my good. That was his dharana. That was his concept. He always had that in his mind. So he never hated Kaikeyi. All said Jata Chiranjiva. They are seeing him first time. Dishtya Vardha Mahe Avasita Pratidnyam Tvam Kushalinam Sahavadva Preksha. You have completed your, Avasita Pradnyaha. That means Avasita Purna Pratidnya Yasya Tam Avasita Pradnyam. You have completed your pratidnya, and you have along with your wife to see you who has completed the pratidnya. So we are very happy to see you. Dishtya Vardha Mahe, they are blessing him, giving him Ashirvada, all of them they say. And Rama accepts them. He says, Anugruhitosmi, I am very blessed. Then Lakshmana is there. He salutes his mothers. Ambaha Abhivadaye. Sarva, they say Jata Chiranjiva. Lakshmana Anugruhitosmi. Aryaha Vande. Sita salutes all of them. Vatse Chiramangala Bhava. You always be blessed, She accepts those Ashirvachan. And he says, Anugruhitasmi. Arya Abhivadaye Bharataha Ahamasmi. Bharata moves forward and he salutes Arya Sita and says, Arya Abhivadaye Bharataha Asmi. Bharata Rama, then Ehi Vatsa Ikshvaku Kumara. Bharata salutes Rama and he says, Ehi Vatsa Ikshvaku Kumara Swasti Ayushman Bhava. Vaksha Prasaraya. Now this verse we have seen before in 4th act, and we have discussed also there in 4th act. So this is a repetition over here. Vaksha Prasaraya Kapata Puta Pramanam Alingamam Suvipulena Bhujadvayena Unnamaya Ananam Idam Sharadindukalpam Prahladaya Vyasana Dagdham Idam Shariram. Again, after 14 years, they are meeting, Rama and Bharata. So Rama again is very happy and says, Vaksha prasaraya. Now you know Vaksha prasaraya, kapata putta pramanam. Your broad chest, open up. Yeah? And then Alingamam suvipulena bhujadvayena. With both your hands, both your bhujas, you come and embrace me. You come and embrace me. Bhujadvayena. And unnamaya ananam idam. You lift up your anana, unnamaya. And how that anana is? Sharad Indu Kalpam. Indu is Chandra. The Chandra in Sharad Ritu looks very beautiful. So they always give upama of Sharad Indu to beautiful face. So here also Rama gives same upama to Bharata's face because he is very happy to see Bharata and Bharata is happy to see Rama. So when happy face always looks sweet like a moon. So he says Sharad Indu Kalpam. Kalpam means like Sharad Indu. Prahladaya, give me happiness, make me happy, my sharira is vyasana dagdha, idam shariram, my sharira make me happy, which is who I am, vyasana dagdha, I have gone through all sorts of calamities, vipattis. So this sharira, now you make me happy and come and embrace me. That is what he says. Bharata says, Anugruhitosmi Arya Abhivadaye. Bharataha Sita says, Arya Putrena Chirasanchari Bhava. Be always with Rama, Aryaputra, and Chirasanchari Bhava. She blesses him. Anugruhitosmi, Arya Abhivadaye. Lakshmana comes, Ehi Vatsa, Dirghayu Bhava, Parishvajas. Each other, they embrace, each other. Because Lakshmana has seen Bharata also after a long time, and they also had Bhratru Sneha among them. So he also comes forward and says, Ehi Vatsa, Dirghayu Bhava. Parishvajasva gadam anushgruhitosmi Arya pratigruhyatam rajyabharaha. Bharata now says, Arya pratigruhyatam rajyabharaha. He says, Rama says, kathamiva jata, there is some hitch here. When Rama says, Vatsa kathamiva, there is some hitch. That we will explain in our next visit. What that hitch is, we will see in our next lecture. So, atra sthapayamaha. Let us stop here. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.